Ramón de Mur was the chief painter representative of the early international Gothic style in the Tarragona school. His most important known work to have been conserved is this large altarpiece from Santa Maria in Guimerà, commissioned by the prominent citizens of that town, almost certainly in about 1402, and not finished until 1412, when it is known that the church high altar was finally set in place. 12 panels have been conserved of this large altarpiece, and including the other lost panels, it must have presented a composition of 5 side panels and predella at the bottom. It must have measured approximately 7.5 meters high by 5.5 wide. In order to be able to get a better view of the upper compartments, in its current exhibition, the panel with the scenes of the apparition of the Virgin to St. Thomas and the Last Supper, the decision has been made to move it to the left of the general composition. The 23 compartments conserved in the museum show scenes from the Old and New Testament, from the creation of Adam to the ascension of Christ. The style of Ramón de Mur, like that of the other painters of this early phase of international Gothic, is characterized by the use of a very rich and contrasting range of colors. The fact of having his workshop somewhat away from the great centers of production allowed the artist to create very original and imaginative scenic compositions, often seeking his inspiration in the popular subconscious. Especially outstanding are the scenes of the crossing of the Red Sea, the Last Judgment, and the Christ's ascent into limbo.